our SM Supermoms. Today, we gather to honor the strength, love, and dedication of our employee moms. Women who balance their duties and at home and work with unmatched grace. You truly are the heart of both your families and this store. To officially open our program, let's hear from someone who deeply values and supports our incredible mothers, our Assistant Vice President for Operations, Ma'am Maria Molina C. Maturino. Please join me in giving her a warm round of applause.
Nakakatuwa naman. Oo. Natutuwa ako kasi dami na palang mothers. Pero mukhang mas marami pa ang single na nandun sa labas. Siyempre, sa mothers. No? Sino yung mga mother figures? Mother figures.